Hello, my name is Patricia Lumba. I'm from Zambia, Lusaka, Zambia. I've been for a while searching for medical treatment, which had to do with my endometriosis, which I've suffered for like the past 20 years, really, as far as I can remember. And I've had a number of surgeries, really dealing with my hysterectomy, and I was advised that it would be quite dangerous to have complete treatment of my endometriosis. So in the process of looking around for treatment, I came across healthcare on the net, and I got in touch with one of the staff there. And from that time, we communicated. She helped me locate a hospital. It wasn't just one hospital, Mediterranean, which she found, but there were a number, and she advised why I could come to NATPO because it was relatively cheaper. So we agreed to come to NATPO, and even from the preparations were very smooth. There was airport pickup, and they gave us sufficient information on costs and even on doctors' information and the consultants that would deal with us. Were located a room. Me and my husband was accommodated in the package. He had his meals and his accommodation in my room as well. My stay very, I don't even know what to say, because you've been looking for treatment for a long time, and then suddenly after they evaluated me, I had more medical checkups. Of course, the surgery I was told was going to be a major one, and they prepared me for that. They cancelled me, the staff cancelled me, and I was prepared for that burden. So I was operated on, and I have no regrets. It was a very successful surgery, and even the recovery was very good because of the body was prepared, and even my spirits were prepared in sort of knowing what to expect, and that sort of helped with quicker recovery. So I think just the combination of experts from the medical consultants, even the hospital staff, everyone worked as a team, and I have no regrets at all coming to India for my treatments. And I look forward to having a very fruitful and more productive life. Thanks.